G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is December 13, 2022. This is the NASDAQ price update. As you can see here, we're still on a downtrend on the CCI 1500 and the Stochastic 100-200 has reached the oversold territory and leveling out. I've drawn here a couple of diagonal trend lines, which forms this wedge quite nicely since our last update. You can see it's bounced off that lower trend line. So we may see it actually make some advance to the upside and see if it's going to, again, overall, if it's going to penetrate that upper trend line or come down and come through this lower trend line. So again, overall, it's giving us a few mixed signals. It's reached the overbought territory here and turning down on the 4-hour chart. And the CCI is in an upswing, positive momentum. But on the hourly chart, you can see there it's come down and bounced up again from the midpoint, and the CCI is sort of upsy-turvy in this little bounce up and down. So it's a bit uncertain at the moment. So again, I'd primarily wait for the daily. You can see here on the 4-hourly and hourly as well. We need to see it either break down below this trend line to be more optimistic about going short, and that the hourly would turn down to a shorting position likewise. In alignment with the daily chart, and you can see here the 4-hour chart is close enough that it may even test the moving average in alignment with the stochastic turning down. So overall, I'd say it's a shorting positioning, but we may see some retracement. So wait to see what happens. This just could be a little false upswing at the moment, trick some people into going long possibly. Again, I'm not inclined to go long at this point. We're well off any long positioning on the NASDAQ until we see the daily start turning into an upward motion. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Prices are already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.